Morning neighbors, how you doing? Yeah, long time I don't see my face like this though. Outside again in the morning, and I must have to say welcome to all the new neighbors in the neighborhood. Subscriber kinda, increasing. Welcome everybody who is new and everybody who has been here all along. We love you, we appreciate you for the support. And we're going to get started by pausing to think how my first set of children reached 4 already. Leila and Zahra's birthday is next week and they're going to be 4 years old already, and I cannot believe it. So, of course, we're going to, celebrate them, and we'll have a little special surprise that we'll have planned. We're going to be changing their... Hold on, better I'll show you. So they've had these bicycles for a good little minute. Still in decent shape, but they really outgrow them now. I remember when they used to, they couldn't ride them, so they had to be stepping and propelling themselves from the floor until they learned how to, pedal. But them turn big girl now, and so they need to start learning how to actually ride a proper bike. And so we're going to get them something, with nice training wheels and so, just to actually go and get it now. So let's go. So here's the thing, I have two things to do now. I'm at the Portmore Cycle Center in, we call it Port Henderson, well, next to Port Henderson Plaza. I don't know what this plaza name. Plaza beside Cactus, for those who know Cactus them time there. I grew up across the road in Bridgeport, so I know I've been here before, but they've really expanded and made them things nice and proper. So I'm going to see if I can find the bicycles there for Leila and Zahra. After which I'll have to stash those bicycles at my mom's house so that they don't pick it up if we try to hide it at our house and them say, oh, yeah, the surprise gets spoiled. So mission impossible, let's go. This one looks like something for me. This one looks like something for me. Now just look at this beautiful red. Look at the wheels. Look at the size of the rims. No man, I like this look. It's been a while since I owned a bike, but really and truly I'm more of a blue person. So I think the blue. You know what? Let's get back to why we're really here. Next time I look at this. Next time. Alright, morning, ma'am. Morning. I called you, I think, probably Monday, about bicycle for a 4-year-old.
4-year-old?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, don't buy the small one.
You said don't buy the 13,000. Yeah.
Boy, I heard.
2 girls, it's twins.
2 girls, it's twins.
Yeah.
This one is the 16 I was telling you about.
So this would be nice for them?
Yeah man, so that's
okay.
If you need to. And so it's called 3 pound with the balance wheels.
Okay, nice. Right. And them little pouch thing can carry some.
Alright, so the third thing now.
You only have one?
No man, I have more, but the thing is that it's too pink. I don't have it like a purple and pink.
Oh, that may not be a bad thing.
Alright, the next one is going to be something like no, this one. If you notice how this one looks, the bar is like this, so that one have a girl shade. Alright, yeah, my little too.
Let's have a girl shade?
Yeah, so it's got the princess on the side.
Right.
So it's got the princess on the side, and it have that shape.
Right.
That one have the straight back, so it's more for a boy.
This one is more for a boy?
Right, but some persons tend to like it. So it's your choice now. It's the same price, come with the basket and everything same.
I'm going to call the mommy and ask her right now.
Hi neighbors, and how are you doing? I am so excited because I'm about to call Paul. He is on the road getting, guess what, a birthday gift for Leila and Zahra. So I'm gonna bring you in on the call, and I'm gonna do it, Paul, because I'm gonna be seeing for the first time the options. So we're gonna help to pick them out. So exciting. Hey, yeah.
There's two options.
I can't hear you, not loud enough.
Two options. So this is the one for option one. So it has
It has a bell.
huh? Can you hear?
Oh,
The thing that says little ding 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 ding.
a bell.
This old thing.
Oh, a basket. Oh, that's fantastic.
This is for girls. So both girls.
Nice.
Things.
Awesome.
On the two.
How is the height?
The height.
Yeah.
Oh, I can do it this way.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like a pretty good size.
Yeah, and see, adjustable so it can be brought up or down.
Uh-huh.
Fine. Other option is this one, but it's the same thing.
Which one? That blue one? It's black?
Yes, it's more for boys, but it's the same thing.
I'm seeing a red bike. I can't see the one that you're showing me. It's black and red?
Yeah, the black and red one.
Oh. Oh no, I don't like that color.
So I prefer the pink one.
Well, yes. So those are the only two options?
Go again?
Those are the only two options?
Yeah, for their size.
I think they're coming out. Hold on. Say hi to Daddy.
Hi.
All right, go back inside. I still come.
You are. Where you are?
Soon come back.
Where are you?
Soon come.
Are you at the store?
That's all, yes.
All right, go back inside now. Okay? So I was saying that we could... I feel check behind me now. I was saying that we could either hide it at your mom's house, which is fine. But you're also saying that we could pick it up from there.
Yeah, we could buy it and leave it here.
Right. So we're going to have to buy like a nice big bow for it.
No, she does that.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, she said for this birthday she does that. So that's a part of the package.
Oh, fantastic. So, but your baby, you're going to have to buy some accessories, knee pads and helmets.
Yeah, we're going to have to get that.
Okay then. All right, love.
Morning neighbors, what's up? What's good in the neighborhood today? I mean, today is a special day, an ultra special day. Just look at the sun rising behind me. Beautiful. Before we get into anything, I just want to give you a quick reminder, a word of encouragement from Psalm 23. Everybody know that Psalm, the Lord is my shepherd. But the tail part of it that says, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. This morning I was listening to the song, Goodness of God, and the bridge says, your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after. It's running after me, and it came over to me powerfully that even you think you can, you do some things and you're dodging, and God will not going to pursue you anymore. And no matter you run this way or you go this way, God's goodness is running after you. He's pursuing you. His goodness is pursuing you. That's his character. That's his love for you. And it came about to me so powerfully this morning, and I wanted to share it with you. I don't know why I feel so emotional. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. Leila and Zahra are turning 4 this morning. It's not a special number. It's not 5 or 10 or 15 or 20. It's not the start of their teenage age, but I just feel extremely emotional. I'm not sure why. And I hope they have a real good day, but I just remember just how good God has been. Just when Tina and I thought we were going to have trouble having children, we found that she had 2 inside of her. So remember this morning, guys. Nothing you have done, nothing you can do now, nothing you will do will prevent God pouring out His goodness and mercy over you. Will prevent God just letting His goodness chase you. Will prevent God from pursuing you. Alright? Let's get into the day. I'm excited. I hope the rain doesn't mess up our plans because we have some nice things planned for them. But regardless, just hope we enjoy them day. So kicking off the day strong with some boiled food. Because it's going to be that kind of a day. We're trying to get all our powerful breakfast. It's usually a Saturday morning breakfast, but we're getting that kind of a heavy meal. So for all the activities we do today, we don't have any, we're tired, I don't know, we don't have any energy. No. So Tina will walk until the sun sets because we're having energy food from morning. With this, we're going to have some liver that we did from yesterday. Liver, everything tastes better the day after. Anything stewed tastes better the day after. So we do it, drop it in the fridge, and we'll have some liver to go with this boiled food. I'm not going to show you the birthday girls with it. I'm sure you heard them a while ago in the background. But when they're all dolled up, we present them to you, for the first time for today. Yeah. So we're going to finish our breakfast and get ready and get moving. Boy, we plan to surprise Leila and Zahra, but the rain set up, man. You know what? Tune into the next vlog and you'll see how the day turned out. Big up from me and my house.